Today's video, we are going to discuss the secret life of termites. Imagine walking through a forest after a light rain. Birds are singing, leaves are swaying in the breeze. Beneath your feet, hidden from sight, lies one of the most extraordinary civilizations on earth. Millions of tiny insects are working together in perfect harmony. They have no roads, no electricity, no computers, and no leaders giving daily instructions. Yet they build enormous homes, raise their young, grow their own food, defend their families, and recycle dead trees that would otherwise cover the planet. These tiny creatures are termites, and today we are going to uncover their secret world. Most people think of termite as destructive pests that silently eat wooden furniture or damage houses. While termites can certainly become a problem when they invade buildings, that is only a tiny part of their story. In nature, termites are among the most important insects on earth. Without them, forests would look very different. Soil would become less fertile, and natural recycling system of our planet would slow down dramatically. So, what is the secret life of termites? Let's find out. Millions of years ago, long before humans appeared on Earth, termites were already thriving. Scientists believe termites evolved more than 150 million years ago. Surprisingly, termites are not closely related to ants. Although many people call them white ants, termites are actually much closer relative of cockroaches. This surprising discovery came from DNA studies that completely changed what scientists once believed. Over millions of years, termites developed an incredible way of living together. Instead of surviving alone, they formed highly organized colonies where every member had a specific job. Working together made them stronger, safer, and far more successful than living individually. A termite colony is much like a busy city. Every individual has a role to play. At the center of the colony lives the queen. She is unlike any ordinary insect. In some species, her abdomen becomes so large with eggs that she can barely move. Her only responsibility is reproduction. Every day, she lays thousands of eggs, ensuring that the colony continue to grow. Living beside her is the king. Unlike honeybees, where male dies shortly after mating, a termite king remains with the queen throughout her life. Together, they produce generations after generation of termites. The largest group in the colony is workers. Workers are responsible for almost everything. They search for food, care for eggs, feed the young, build tunnels, repair damaged walls, clear nests, and even feed the queen and king. Without workers, the colony would collapse within days. Then there are soldiers. Soldiers are larger than workers and possess powerful jaws or specialized nozzles that spray sticky defensive chemicals at enemies. Their mission is simple: protect the colony at all costs. Interestingly, soldiers cannot feed themselves. Workers must feed them throughout their lives. This remarkable teamwork allows millions of termites to function almost like a single living organism. One fascinating fact is that termites are completely blind. Most species spend their entire lives underground or inside wood where there is almost no light. Since they cannot rely on vision, termites communicate using chemicals called pheromones and gentle vibrations. Imagine tapping a wooden table. A termite soldier can bang its head against the tunnel walls, sending vibrations throughout the colony. Within seconds, thousands of termites know that danger is nearby. No words are spoken, yet everyone understands the message. Chemical communication is even more impressive. Every termite leave invisible scent trails that guide others toward food or back home. These chemical highways help millions of individuals move efficiently without confusion. Perhaps the greatest mystery surrounding the termite is their ability to build enormous mounds. Some termites mounds in Africa and Australia stand more than 8 meters tall, far taller than an elephant and comparable to a two-story house. Considering the tiny size of each termite, these structures are architectural masterpieces. Inside these mounds are nurseries, food storage chambers, royal chambers for the king and queen, ventilation shafts, and countless tunnels connecting every part of the colony. How do blind insects build something so complex? The answer lies in simple rules. Each termite responds to a tiny chamber in its environment. One termite places a small pellet of mud. Another termite senses that pellet and adds another nearby. Over time, millions of small actions create towering structures without any termite seeing the complete design. Scientists call this phenomena self-organization, and engineers around the world study termite mounds to design buildings with natural cooling systems. One of the most amazing features of the termite mound is temperature control. Outside, temperatures may change dramatically between hot days and cool nights, but inside the mound, conditions remain remarkably stable. Fresh air constantly circulates through carefully designed tunnels, removing carbon dioxide while bringing in oxygen. This natural ventilation system works so efficiently that architects have copied termite mound design to create energy-saving buildings requiring much less air conditioning. Termites are famous for eating wood, but wood is one of the hardest material to digest. Human bodies cannot obtain nutrition from wood because it contains cellulose. So how do termites survive? The secret lies inside the digestive system. Their intestine contain billions of helpful microorganisms, including bacteria and tiny protozoa. These microscopic partners break down cellulose into nutrients the termite can absorb. Without these microbes, termite would starve. Without termites, many of these microbes would also disappear. It is one of the nature's finest example of cooperation. Every fallen tree in a forest eventually become food for termites. By breaking down dead wood, termites return valuable nutrients to the soil where new plants can grow. In this way, termites are natural recycling experts. So, termites species have taken farming to another level. In past Africa, fungus growing termites cultivate special fungi inside underground gardens. Workers collect dry plant material and bring it into the nest. The fungus grows on this material, breaking it down into nutritious food. The termites carefully maintain these fungus gardens, protecting them from contamination and ensuring ideal conditions for growth. Looking before human development, agriculture, termites had already mastered farming. Life inside a termite colony is not always peaceful. Many predators hunt termites, including ants, birds, lizards, spiders, frogs, and spiny ant eaters. Whenever danger approaches, soldier termites rush toward the entrance, while workers quickly move eggs and young to safer chambers. Some Termites species possess an extraordinary defense. Certain soldiers can rupture special glands inside their bodies, releasing sticky toxic substances that trap invading enemies. Although the defending termite dies, its sacrifice may save thousands of members. This incredible behavior reminds us how survival sometimes depends on selfless cooperation. Every termite colony begins with a remarkable event. After heavy rain or warm weather, thousands of winged termites suddenly emerge into the sky. This spectacular event is called nuptial flight. Many people mistake these insects for flying ants. During this flight, male and female search for partner. After mating, they shed their wings and look for suitable places to establish new colonies. Only a tiny fraction survive predators, weather, and other dangers. Those lucky few become future kings and queens. The rest become food for birds, reptiles, fish, and other animals. Although termites sometimes damage homes, they are also essential to healthy ecosystem. By breaking down dead trees, termites recycle nutrients. By damaging tunnels, they loosen compact soil. Their tunnels allow rainwater to penetrate deeper into the ground. This activity improves soil fertility, benefiting grasses, shrubs, and trees. Many animals depend directly or indirectly on termites for food. Without termites, forests would accumulate enormous amount of dead wood, slowing decomposition and disrupting entire ecosystem. Scientists continue discovering amazing termite abilities. Researchers study termites communication to improve robotic teamwork. Architects study termites ventilation system to design environmentally friendly buildings. Biologists investigate termite digestion to improve biofuel production from plant waste. Even artificial intelligence researchers use termite-inspired algorithms to solve complex engineering problems. Who would have imagined that tiny, blind insects hidden underground could inspire future technologies? Despite their importance, termites face challenges from habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change. Protecting natural forests help protect termite populations that maintain healthy ecosystem. At the same time, responsible pest management can reduce damage to the homes while minimizing unnecessary harm to the beneficial termite populations living in natural environment. Next time you notice a piece of decaying wood or see winged termite after rain, remember that you are witnessing part of an ancient civilization that has existed for millions of years. These tiny insects are architects, farmers, engineers, recyclers, builders, and defenders. They remind us that success is not always about the strength or size. Sometimes greatest achievements come from cooperation, organization, and millions of small efforts working together a common goal. The secret life of termite teaches us an important lesson. Every member of the community has a value. By working together, even the smallest creature can accomplish extraordinary things. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed discovering the hidden world of termites, do not forget to like this video and share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fascinating stories from the animal kingdom. Until the next time, stay curious and keep exploring incredible wonders of nature. Our channel ZooSphere is dedicated to promote animal sciences, especially related to zoology. about animals and animal facts. Today's video, we are going to discuss